you can even get a mentor that will teach you how to trade technically, but nobody will actually help you when it comes to psychology.
Thanks for taking the time to do the interview.
You're welcome.
Maybe you could just introduce yourself, tell us a bit about yourself, your name, where you're from, how long you've been trading, that kind of thing.
Okay, my name is Samuel Itodo. I'm from Benin City, Nigeria, and I'm currently in school. I'm schooling in Federal University of Technology, Benin, Nigeria State, also in Nigeria. So.
Okay, all right. How long have you been trading?
I've been trading for 3 years, but throughout that 3 years was just like most times is demo trading. So I started funding it in 2023, which is last year. So okay. I started funding it last year.
Okay, and how are you finding trading with FundedNext?
I'm okay. FundedNext, before I started trading with FundedNext, I was using other prop firm as well. But ever since I started with FundedNext, it has been very nice, and most of my accounts now are all in FundedNext because of their payments options and other things like that, the spread and all of that.
Great. Okay, so I take it you're funded?
Yes, I'm funded.
Okay, great. Funded. Okay. How do you find the platform and the payout speed?
Yeah, the spread is nice. I think just that most times if you buy accounts without paying for swap, if you are holding trade over the night, that's when issue comes in. So ever since I noticed that, I stopped trading during the Asian section. So I stopped holding my trade throughout the night. So it has been okay ever since I noticed that.
Yeah, I mean, there's two options. You either buy a swap-free account or you look at the way the swap's calculated. Some pairs, if you're long or short, they can actually pay you to be in the position. So it's a question of being aware of which one is in your benefit and which is not. So great. Okay. So what's your style of trading? What do you trade? FX indices?
For me, I trade mainly gold indices. So
gold.
I trade mainly gold. Yeah.
Okay. Mainly. And how do you trade gold?
Basically, I use patterns. I use patterns, and sometimes I use supply and demand zones as well, but mostly it's pattern, like these mainly patterns.
Okay. Yeah. Can you maybe share a chart? Show us an example of a setup. Samuel, you okay?
Yeah.
Drop that for a second.
I think network from my end.
Oh, okay. Network issues. How do you cope with the internet in Nigeria? Do you have some kind of backup mobile system?
Yeah, it has been very difficult. Just that since we started using Starlink, we use Starlink.
Starlink, yeah.
So it has been nice. But the main network itself, depending on the region you are, like where we are schooling here is Nigeria State, and their network here is not good like that of Abuja or Lagos. So we are managing.
Okay, but Starlink's probably the answer, isn't it? Yeah, for sure. Okay, all right. So you trade gold. Would you say you're a day trader? You're looking for setups on a lower time frame?
Yeah. I'm a day trader. Yeah. So mainly I use 4 hour as my overall trend. Yeah, I use 30 minutes and 15 minutes. Then my entry time frame most times is 5 minutes. Except if I want to go down lower to have smaller stop loss, that's why I use 1 minute. But most times it's 5 minutes passive.
Okay, all right. And okay, so you said you've been trading for what, a number of years now? 3 years. What do you think was the what do you think was the turning point that enabled you to become profitable? What was was it the technical analysis skills, or was it something else maybe?
For me, I won't say it's technical analysis. To me, maybe for me, I would say it's psychology, and to the stage where I am today, and the reason why I have not gotten to some level yet is because of psychology as well. Because and if talking about technical analysis, it can be learned even in a week, but psychology is one thing that you just have to start doing it before your psychology can be balanced. Because out of these 3 years, I can say 2 years out of it somehow was a waste, because I was actually learning, and I was like investing my time trading demo accounts instead of trying to fund, because demo account can only help you technically. It won't help you building up your psychology, because sometimes you place trade on demo account and you will need to put a stop loss. You feel like no need of it to put stop loss and that. And when it comes to live account, you have to protect your account. That's when you start using stop loss and all of that. And that's when you need to hold trade to some extent before closing out. But in demo account, you just be trading and you be feeling yourself, I'm good, and you don't.
Yeah.
You are just trying to build that video fund without investing your money in. So for me, I just feel it's psychology, and that is it. Because technically there are so many strategies that will help when you are trying to trade, but you can even get a mentor that will teach you how to trade technically, but nobody will actually help you when it comes to psychology. You just have to grow in it.
I agree, and that just takes time, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay. Interesting. All right. Okay. Well, what would you say? What would you like to see FundedNext change if they could improve anything?
Okay. For me, I would like FundedNext to work on, like, if even on their Facebook platform, their Nigeria Facebook platform, I do see some guys complaining about their payout certificate. Like for me, the payout I got till date, they haven't sent me my certificate yet. And in Nigeria where we are, it's like somehow anything you do making money, since you are earning in dollars, people want to describe you as a fraudster, So most times you like those certificates to be ready in time so that it will serve as a receipt.
Yeah, okay.
In case
I understand.
when you are being harassed or something like that, you try to present it to them and show them that this is a firm I'm working with, and things like that. And as well as I would also like FundedNext to work on their Nigeria relationship. I don't see any gathering in Nigeria. Like most times I see them going to Malaysia, calling traders together, but in Nigeria it's been a long time I saw things like that. So
okay, I think there maybe is a meetup planned for Nigeria or somewhere close. So yeah, I think that will be coming soon. So yeah, okay, all right. Sure they'll let them know.
Well, every other thing is okay with FundedNext. Their payouts, everything is okay.
Great. Okay, glad you're happy. Great.
Yeah.
All right. Well,
okay. Except their overall drawdown, which is 10%. Well, if it's possible, they can make it 12%. So
how much? 20? Did you say?
If possible, they can make it 12% instead of that 10%. So,
yeah. Okay. All right. Possible, I'm sure, but we'll see. All right, Samuel. Thanks for your time. Good luck with the trading.
Thank you for
good luck with the funded accounts. See you.
Bye.